Okay, आज भने exercise 3.1 बाटै question number 2 and question is on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point are parallel or coincidence. Okay students, before solving this question, firstly you must know standard form of linear equations with two variables, right? And the standard form of linear equation in two variable will be ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and here a represents coefficient of x, b represents coefficient of y, and c represents constant part. And here we are talking about pair of linear equations, so we have to write it in pair. So ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and here this is a1, this is a2, this is b1, and this is b2, and this is c1, and this is c2. Now after knowing this, you must know the relation between ratios of these coefficients as well as this constant part, which tells us whether the lines are intersecting, parallel or coincident, right? जस्तो कि if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, students, in these conditions there will be intersecting lines, right? It means the lines that we draw in graph will intersect at a point like this. Similarly, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, students, in this condition there will be coincident lines. It means the lines that we draw in graph will coincide one above the other like this. Okay, similarly, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, students, in these conditions there will be a parallel line. Okay, it means the lines that we draw in graph will be parallel to each other like this. Okay, now simply by comparing these ratios we have to solve this given question. Okay students, our first question number 1, which I have already copied here. Okay, now let's compare with ratios. And here A1 equal to 5 and A2 equal to 7. Similarly, B1 equal to -4 and B2 equal to 6. Similarly, C1 equal to 8 and C2 equal to -9. And here we can observe that these two ratios are not equal to each other, so we can write 5 by 7 is not equal to -4 by 6, and this represents the ratios which we have A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Okay, if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then the lines intersect at a point. So simply we can write over here, the lines are intersecting. Our question number 2. Okay, here A1 equal to 9, A2 equal to 18 and B1 equal to 3 and B2 equal to 6. Similarly, C1 equal to 12 and C2 equal to 24. Now we can cut like this: 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, and here also 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and here also 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. Now we can write 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2, and here also 1 by 2. So simply this ratio represents A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. And as we know, in these conditions the lines are coincident. Now last question, question number 3, and here A1 equal to 6 and A2 equal to 2 and B1 equal to -3 and B2 equal to, we have to assume here 1, so -1, and C1 equal to 10 and C2 equal to 9. Now here 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, and this minus and this minus will be cancelled. So from here we can write 3 by 1 equal to 3 by 1 not equal to 10 by 9. Okay, this ratios represents A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2, And students, in these conditions, the lines will be parallel to each other. So simply we have to write lines are parallel.